and action.
Hi guys, this is Nidhi Kumar here and welcome to my channel. आज का ट्यूटोरियल है गेंदा फूल. थैंक यू सो मच आप लोगों को इतना प्यार जो दिया है मेरे रूटीन को. 100 के क्रॉस हो गया YouTube पे, तो आज मैं आपको ये ट्यूटोरियल सिखाने आई हूँ और बहुत लोगों ने मांगा था. सो विदाउट फर्दर अडू लेट्स बिगिन. बट बिफोर दैट, अगर आपने अभी तक मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, क्या कर रहे हो यार? जाओ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो. डोंट फॉरगेट टू फॉलो मी on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Nidhi Kumar Dance. And now let's get dancing. So before we begin, मैं ये जरूर बता दूं कि proper Bollywood सा रूटीन है. So you have to use your expressions. Obviously do it barefoot क्योंकि ये बहुत ही Bollywood मसाला रूटीन है. So you can wear shoes obviously, but make sure that you all have fun. Nothing else. Expressions लाओ, गोविंदा, माधुरी, सबको लेके आओ and just have fun. Okay? So let's begin. It's a very beginner choreography जो आप सब लोग कर सकते हो बहुत आसानी से. So just relax and learn. Okay? So the first two steps is we are just walking. Chale jab. Easy. You will start with the right leg. So 5, 6, 7 go. Chale jab. Obviously अपनी कमर में थोड़े से लचकन सा लाइए. You know. So your right hand goes chale jab. Now you put your left hand on your waist or you can't. That's on you. Right. So 5, 6, 7 go. Chale jab. Then you will bring your right leg out to latak matak. Hands just do like a Qawwali style and your hips go out. 1, 2. Okay? So from here 5, 6, 7 go. Chale jab to latak matak. From here Londo ke dil patak patak. So this entire choreography is fully lyrical. Okay? Very lyrical. 1, 2. So यहाँ से Londo ke. तो यहाँ से right hand करोगे Londo ke. Okay? Just comb your hair and your legs will just do a slight ball change. That's it. From here, just a ball change. Nothing major. Okay. So latak matak, londo ke dil. Okay. Hands like this. Make 2 thumbs up and make an outline of your chest. So you go londo ke dil, patak, patak. Now the first patak is a chest in. Second patak is a out. Your left leg comes up. 1 and your hands are just doing a slide. Easy. So 5, 6, 7 go. It goes londo ke dil patak patak. Easy. One last time. 5, 6, 7 go. Londo ke dil patak patak. From here saase jaye. Now you're here. Your leg comes down. From your right hand you will turn over your right shoulder. Left hand comes back. Okay. Tubes. Okay, so now from here we put our leg down. Very easy. We will turn over our right shoulder, which is with our right hand, and with our left hand we will follow and bring our leg in front. Our left leg in front. So how will it look? 5, 6, 7 go. 1, 2. That's it. That's it. 5, 6, 7 go. We are here. 5, 6, 7 go. 1, 2. All we will do is just switch our legs and flip this side. Very easy. Our hands will follow 1, 2 like a windmill. 5, 6, 7 go. 1, 2. Now our left hand comes to our heart, ends up in our heart. So it goes londo ke dil patak patak saase jaye atak. Again one more chest in. Atak atak. Same thing what we did that side, but only with one hand. Atak atak. Our left leg comes up. Then we go atak. Left leg goes down with our hand. So it goes atak. Our body position changes in front. Maji. So our right hand comes to our head. Satak, satak. Very easy. We're just gonna hit our hand to our head. Satak, satak. Oh my God. Sorry, मेरे flatmates बहुत मुझे disturb कर रहे हैं. I don't know what to do. Okay. Without further ado, let's go back to from the start till the end. Slowly क्या recap कर सको. Okay. So 5, 6, 7 go. चले जब तू लटक मटक लोंडो के दिल पटक पटक सांसें जाएं अटक अटक आता माजी सटक सटक. So easy, right? Okay, तो आप ये रिवाइंड करके ऑब्वियसली फिर से लर्न कर सकते हैं. Go slow, take your time, no problem. Okay, so let's move on to the next chunk from here. आता माजी सटक सटक. अभी लेफ्ट लेग करके आप बिल्कुल पीछे टर्न हो जाओगे. Okay, so you will take your left leg and you will turn behind. Okay, in one count. So it's very fast. So 5, 6, 7 go. Bump. Your hands literally have to grab your bum, okay? Just grab it. Okay, so from here you go, bum, tera, okay? Hands just go one on your bum, one, and with your leg you will just go right left. That's it, just a step. Easy. So 5, 6, 7 go, bum, tera, gothe, khai. Okay guys, I'm not a Bengali, so lyrics थोड़े से ऊपर नीचे होंगे because I don't know Bengali. So bum, tera, hands will become in a fist and they go gothe, khai. Very easy. Our hips will go to the right. 1, 2. Easy. 1, 2. Okay, slowly. From here, 5, 6, 7 go. Ata, maji, satak, bum, tera, gote, khai. From here, left leg we will take and we will turn. 1, right leg with the paper, so we will turn. 5, 6, 7 go. Kamar pe teri, butterfly. This is a freestyle. So I want your creativity to come in. Guys, I know कि हर choreographer की choreography obviously you want to follow and make a cover, but make sure that उस choreography में आप अपना मसाला भी डालो अंदर, so that it becomes your performance. You know what I mean? So from here we go, कमर पे तेरी butterfly. Now this you can do whatever you want. You can turn however you want, freestyle करके, okay? So from here you go, कमर पे तेरी butterfly. From here, left leg you will step out, body. Now we will come into a belly dancing stance. So left hand will come out, right hand will come on our head, and it has to be a very light motion. Kadak nahi rakhna. We don't want jazz hands or knife hands. We want a very feminine hands. Okay. So from here, this stance. As soon as we come to this stance, we need to start the steps. So hip goes out, in, out, in. Our right leg will come in front. Very simple. So first we go body, teri, makhan, jaise. Our hands will just do a switch. So first, right hand is here, left hand is here, then it will do a switch. Easy. So 5, 6, 7 go. Body, teri, makhan, jaise. From here, खाने में वस्तु, ये पकड़ना है हमें. It's a wave with our hands on the same position. 5, 6, 7 go. खाने में वस्तु, butter, खाए. Easy. A wave down and a wave come back. Okay, slowly. Okay, so let's go from behind. 5, 6, 7 go. कमर पे तेरी butterfly, body तेरी मक्खन जैसे, खाने में वस्तु butter खाए. Easy. Let's go from आता माजी सटक. One recap for this chunk. 5, 6, 7 go. आता माजी सटक. बम तेरा गोथे खाए, कमर पे तेरी butterfly, बॉडी तेरी मक्खन जैसे, खाने में वस्तु बटर खाए. Now we have only 2 more chunks. You all are doing very well. I am sure क्योंकि आप मेरे students हो तो. Sorry, I'm a little lame. But I hope कि मेरे tutorials आपको मजा करवा रहे हैं and learn कर रहे हैं. And इस quarantine के समय बहुत ही hard time चल रहा है. So I hope you are having some fun and yeah. Let's move on to the next chunk. We ended here. खाने में वस्तु बटर खाए. Very easy. From here we will just do a slide with the right leg. Come on baby, like a very sensual one. So 5, 6, 7 go. Come on baby, feel your thighs. 5, 6, 7 go. Come on baby, lick it. Why did I just say lick it? I don't know the lyrics. Okay, जो भी lyrics हो, I'm sorry. 5, 6, 7 go. Come on baby, ta. Very easy. Hands again in a fist. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hips again do the same thing. 1, 2 to the right, then 1, 2 to the left. So 5, 6, 7 go. Come on baby, take it. From here, kaatu teri. Kaatu pe our right leg will come up. Kaatu. Easy. Hands do a cross like a knife and our right leg goes up. So 5, 6, 7 go. Kaatu teri. Teri is head up, leg goes down. So 5, 6, 7 go. Kaatu teri. Take it. हम टिकट लेंगे ऐसे और हम उसको काटेंगे. With a little bit of a hip, just a hip, with an expression, with a naughty smile. You know what I mean? Because basically हम बोल रहे हैं कि हम तेरी टिकट काटेंगे. You know what I mean? लड़कियां लड़कों की टिकट. No, ऐसा कुछ नहीं करेंगे हम सिर्फ डांस कर रहे हैं. But still bring a naughty smile in your face. Okay? So 5, 6, 7 go. काटूं तेरी टिकट. From here, we're just going to do 2 walks as if we're टोइंग, ओके, तो टिप टो करेंगे 5 से 7 को, खेलता नहीं, लाइक बिल्कुल ड्रामा, ओके, वेरी इजी, 5 से 7 को, खेलता नहीं क्रिकेट, क्रिकेट, वेरी इजी, फ्रॉम योर लेफ्ट लेग स्टेप्स आउट, राइट हैंड टू द राइट साइड, हम दोनों ऐसे क्रिकेट बनाएंगे, 1 2 विद आवर हिप्स, वेरी इजी, सो 5 से 7 को, खेलता नहीं क्रिकेट, क्रिकेट पर ले लो, now from here a hand goes behind and our left leg drags in, so खेलता नहीं क्रिकेट, क्रिकेट पर ले लूं, it's very slow, पर ले लूं तेरी विकेट, विकेट, now from here left hand just a touch to your bum, so this is very ada, okay, so ada चाहिए, so बस को खेलता नहीं क्रिकेट, क्रिकेट पर ले लूं तेरी विकेट, विकेट, that turn is very fast, it's one count, so we go 1 boom, just a turn on our right shoulder, okay, we're here 5 7 go hit boom, okay, and from here it starts bororo fir beti lo, the chorus, and then we're done. Let's revise only from this part till the end, till where we've learned new, okay, then we go from the top. So we were खाने में वस्तु बटर खाए, 5 6 7 go, come on baby ticket, ticket, काटूं तेरी टिकट, टिकट, खेलता नहीं क्रिकेट, क्रिकेट पर ले लूं तेरी विकेट, विकेट, and we're done. Let's revise from the top till here. बहुत ही आसान कोरियोग्राफी है, मेन फोकस वाज कि आप अपनी अदाएं लाएं, वो छोटी छोटी यू नो जो लचक मचक, those lyrics, basically that was the focus, and I'm so glad you liked it. So let's go from the beginning till here, and then it's the chorus, and then we're done. So let's go. 5 6 7 go. चले जब तू लटक मटक, लौंडों के दिल पटक पटक, सांसें जाएं अटक अटक, आता माची सटक सटक, बम तेरा गोते खाए, कमर पे तेरी बटरफ्लाई, बॉडी तेरी मक्खन जैसे, खाने में वस्तु बटर खाए, कम ऑन बेबी टिकट, टिकट, काटूं तेरी टिकट, टिकट, खेलता नहीं क्रिकेट, क्रिकेट पर ले लूं तेरी विकेट, wicket. Let's move on to the chorus. And now we start off with the chorus. So the beginning part was very कड़क. You know हम बिल्कुल कड़क कर रहे थे. एक एक वर्ड पे, एक एक लिरिक पे हम लोग एक एक हिप मूवमेंट्स, वन वन ठुमका, you know what I mean. पर अब कोरस में हम लोग बिल्कुल फ्लोई हो जाएंगे. हम अभी कड़क नहीं करेंगे, अभी हम फ्लोई हो जाएंगे. So we get into more of the Kathak style, very fluent and very nice, beautiful basically. Okay. So we ended here. From here, we will just go left leg. We will just do hops basically. Dips तो सबको पता होंगे. Just a dip and a dip. That's it. So our right leg, we will dip on our left leg. Just a dip in front, dip behind. That's it. Our hands will follow. बोरो रोकर बेटी लोग ऐसे सिंगिंग को एक्सक्यूज कर देना, मुझे लिरिक्स नहीं आते. Again I'm singing. 5 6 7 go. बोरो रोकर बेटी लो, very easy. From here, लंबा लंबा, सिर्फ हैंड्स करना है, लंबा लंबा twice. Okay, so she's actually saying lamba lamba, so I want you to make it small to big, you know what I mean, catch that. So 5 6 7 go. बोरो रोकर बेटी लो, लंबा लंबा चूल, only our shoulders go चूल, and our right leg just comes in, drags in, easy. 5 6 7 go. बोरो रोकर बेटी लो, लंबा लंबा चूल. From here, बोरो रोकर बेटी लो, get na food. From here, 1 2. Okay. Now hands towards the left first. Make a flower. Make a flower. That's it. So we go बोरो रोकर बेटी लो, लंबा लंबा चूल, अमर मत, whatever. Turn. Okay. We go 1 2. Then we will take a full turn. So we will basically use that momentum and turn over our right shoulder. So we go 1 2, hands in front and turn. Easy. Fast करने में better होता है ये, obviously because it's flowy. अभी slowly में you will probably lose balance. Make sure that you spot Every time you turn, do spot. Okay, 5, 6, 7 go. Bolo loker biti lo, lamba lamba shul. Amar mata na lal genda fool. Now this is nothing, just both hands come up. Okay, and now you pick up a sari pallu. That is if you are holding a sari pallu. If you are not holding a sari pallu, then just put your hand up. Very simple. Okay, so let's go from बहुत गर्मी है, hi गर्मी, I'm going to do this in every tutorial. Stop me if you can. Stop me. Okay, let's go. 5, 6, 7 go. Bolo loker biti lo, lamba lamba shul. Amar mata na lal genda fool. Easy, very simple. From here, now we are in the last few steps, so concentrate. Okay, so from here it goes, the basically starts bolo loker biti lo, the beat start, right? So very easy. हम लोग अपना दुपट्टा लेंगे, साड़ी का पल्लू जो भी है, 1, 2 with our heads and our hips. Go to the left, go to the right. Easy. 5, 6, 7 go. Bolo loker biti lu. Repeat. Lamba lamba shul. Repeat again. Okay. 5, 6, 7 go. Bolo loker biti lu. Lamba lamba shul. From here. Amar matana lal gena fool. From here we will do the Jacqueline Fernandez step. Left leg comes here. Left hand is out in a fist. Right hand is near your stomach. Wave, shoulder, shoulder, wave, shoulder, shoulder. So the wave is pelvic goes front. It's a pelvic front, pelvic front, pelvic front. Okay. So 5, 6, 7 go. Bolo loker biti lo, lamba lamba shul. Amar mata da lal gena fool. From here. Now this is my hook step जो मैंने बनाया है, जो आप सब लोगों को बहुत पसंद आया था. So this is my hook step. तो इसके बाद हमने दो ये किया. Now right leg steps forward, step, left hand comes up like this and your right hand comes down. This is the position. This. Okay, easy. So from here we go. Turn. Right leg steps forward, left leg steps out. Both hands come out. Wait, shimmy, pop. Slowly. Let's learn this combination slowly. Right leg, left leg out. Shimmy in, pop. So when you shimmy in, your left leg also drags. Pop. We're going to do this twice continuously in the choreo. 5, 6, 7 go. From here. 1, 2. This is Govinda. This is easy. So this is not your interpretation. हम क्या कर रहे हैं? Clap करके leg ऊपर आ रहा है. Clap and step. Clap and step. This is very easy. So 5, 6, 7 go. Ta 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 ta. From here. 1, 2, back. Easy. Normal. Right hand up with the right leg. 1 and 2 and come back. Easy. Let's go from here. Slowly mark करते हैं. Okay. 5, 6, 7 go. Bolo loker biti lo, lamba lamba shul. Amar mata da lal gena fool. Ta 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 ta. Boom. We will end here. Okay. So we go 1, 2, boom. Now we will do the Jacqueline Fernandez step again. Ta 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 ta, boom. Ta 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 ta, boom. 1, 2, 1 and boom. Huck. Slowly. So हमने ये खत्म किया. This goes guitar, slow, 1, 1, slow. That's how the main step is. So hand इधर guitar बजाओगे. 5, 6, 7 को. Ta 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 ta. Then you will repeat our step. Ta 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 ta. From here, only only once, और हमें पीछे नहीं करेंगे. 1, come back here in this position, boom, boom. We will catch the last 2 beats and we're done. So let's only revise from Boro Roker till the end, the chorus, and then we will go from the top till the end and we're done. You guys are doing an amazing job. I'm so proud of you. Let's go from here. Slowly. 5, 6, 7, go. Boro Roker biti lo, lamba lamba chul. Amar mata da 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 da, lal genda fool. Boro Roker biti lo, lamba lamba chul. Sorry, I forgot. Okay, let's go from now. From here. 5, 6, 7, go. Boro Roker biti lo, lamba lamba chul. Amar mata da 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 da, lal genda fool. Da 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 da. Da 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 da, boom 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 boom, ha. Da 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 da, boom, ha, 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 and we're done. Let's go from the top till the end. One last time. Let's go from the beginning. Are you guys ready? Let's do this. 5, 6, 7, go. चले जब तू लटक मटक, लौंडों के दिल पटक पटक, सांसें जाएं अटक अटक, अता माजी सटक सटक, बम तेरा गोते खाए, कमर पे तेरी बटरफ्लाई, बॉडी तेरी मक्खन जैसे, खाने में बस तू बटर खाए. Come on baby, take it, काटूं तेरी टिकट, खेलता नहीं क्रिकेट, पर ले लूं तेरी विकेट. Boro Roker biti lo, lamba lamba chul. Amar mata na na na, lal genda fool. Boro Roker biti lo, lamba lamba chul. Amar mata na na na, lal genda fool. Da 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 na, da 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 na, da 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 da, boom 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 boom, ha. Da 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 da. Da 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 da, da 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 da, boom, ha, 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 and we're done. Guys, I'm so sorry आपको मेरी सुनना पड़ा बीच में, but it's extremely hard to sing and to dance and to narrate. So hats off to all the dancers and teachers out there. I hope आप लोग को ये गीता फुल ट्यूटोरियल पसंद आया होगा, and I hope मैंने जितना चाहे मज़ेदार बना सकी हूँ मैंने बनाया. I tried. So don't forget कि अगर आपने से कवर्स बनाए, ऑलरेडी मुझे इतने कवर्स आ चुके हैं फॉर गेंदा फूल, फिर अगर आप ये ट्यूटोरियल सीख के अपने और बनाए, then don't forget to tag me on Instagram #dancewithnids and tag me so I can repost them on my stories. And yeah, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Nidhi Kumar Dance. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And हाँ, मुझे बताना और कौन कौन से सॉन्ग्स आपको सीखने हैं मुझसे. And that's about it. Nidhi Kumar signing off.